With all of the recent economic turmoil, gold IRAs have become a popular option for people interested in diversifying their retirement portfolios. But with so many gold IRA companies out there, how can you possibly know which one to go with? To help make it easier for you, our team has spent hundreds of hours researching the best gold IRA companies and have narrowed it down to 3 great options for you to consider: Goldco, Augusta Precious Metals, and Regal Assets. Let's take a quick look at each company in more detail to give you an idea about which one may be the best fit for you. Goldco has been in the gold IRA business for more than 15 years. Company highlights include an A-plus rating from the Better Business Bureau, a AAA rating from the Business Consumer Alliance, up to $10,000 in free silver, and more than 2,500 five-star customer reviews. Right now they're offering a free gold IRA kit to help people get started. Get your kit by tapping the link in the description below, or simply visit freegoldirakit.org. Coming in at number 2 is Augusta Precious Metals. They are an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest $50,000 or more in a gold IRA account. Like Goldco, Augusta also features an A-plus rating from the Better Business Bureau. On top of that, they have had 0 complaints reported to the BBB. One of my favorite parts about Augusta is that they avoid high-pressure sales tactics and fancy gimmicks. Instead, they focus on customer education by providing you with training sessions from a Harvard-trained economist. They also offer a free gold IRA kit to help people get started. You can find your free kit by tapping the link in the description below. Rounding out our best gold IRA list is Regal Assets. They have been in business for more than 12 years and are ranked in the top 20 of the Inc. 500. Their Regal IRA allows customers to diversify their retirement portfolio by investing in both precious metals and cryptocurrencies. They also boast more than 1,800 positive customer reviews. You can get your free Regal Assets investing kit by visiting their link in the description below. To recap, there are many excellent gold IRA companies for you to consider, but if you want to avoid hours of research, any of the options on our top 3 list are a great place to start. If you want to learn more about gold IRA investing, visit freegoldirakit.org or tap the links in the description below to connect with Goldco, Augusta Precious Metals, or Regal Assets. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your investment journey.